Okay, so today we're going to show you a Royal Master Centerless grinder. This is a machine that's made in New Jersey. It's been made for quite a while now, back into the 60s. This is a model TG 12x3, meaning it's got a 12-inch diameter grinding wheel, 3 inches wide. So your work area basically would be parts 3 inches and under in length. Grinders like this can be done with INFEED or plunge grinding, INFEED grinding, or THRUFEED grinding, where you feed a piece from the front and it will come out the back. Currently, this is set up with this type of a work rest blade here for THRUFEED grinding. So you would have something set up here to feed pieces that were longer than 4 inches or 3 inches, bars and stuff like that through the machine. The angles that this is all set on the regulating side will determine how fast the part is drawn through between the two wheels. In plunge feed grinding or INFEED grinding, you want to have this all straight and not on any kind of an angle, so that you grind a part without a taper. It's currently wired for 220 volts. You've got 2 dressers, 2 over-the-wheel dressers, one for the grinding wheel, one for the regulating wheel. They make 2 versions of these regulating wheel housings. One is called the high precision, which this one is, and then this their standard one, which is still pretty high precision, but this has a different bearing and also a airflow over the bearing. Over here you've got a readout for your amperage on your your grinding wheel, and also a digital readout for the speed of the regulating wheel. So the grinding wheel, this is an amp meter for that, and the top one here, just going to go turn it on. All right, starting that first button started up the grinding wheel and the regulating wheel at the same time, and it's going at 28 RPMs. The main wheel, the big wheel, I'm not sure what RPM that is. This wheel here, as you turn this, you can speed up or slow down your regulating wheel. Generally, when you grind at a slower speed than when you dress. Your INFEED wheel is over here. As you turn this, you move the slide in and out, and you also have a lever here where you can move the whole thing in one shot. And you can see here on the indicator that what you would do is you would open this up, you place your workpiece in there, you bring this down, and you close the lever here. Let the piece grind and then open it up. Sometimes they have a parts ejector, which this machine is equipped with, to eject that part after it's ground. And over here we have a little hydraulic unit mounted in the base of the machine. The hydraulic unit controls these dressers that feed across a template mounted on top here. These have to be adjusted to be perfectly straight if you're grinding a straight part. If you're grinding a part with a step in it or need to dress something into your wheel, you would have a template with a very basic shape that these dressers can do. It's got 2 knobs here to control the speed of the dresser back and forth, and a knob on top to advance the diamond into the wheel. So that's pretty much it. This is the coolant system. It's a pump mounted in there with several different baffles. That's it. This is a Royal Master TG 12x3, and I hope that answers all your questions. Thank you very much.